field in the shape of trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 meter and 10 meter, and the non-parallel sides are 14 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. Okay, what is given? You have given one trapezium. A, B, C, D is your trapezium. Its non-parallel sides are 14, 14 and 13 centimeter. Okay, and this is your 25 and this is your 10 meter. So what I am going to do, I am drawing one line CE such that CE will be parallel to AD. So we can make one parallelogram AECD. In parallelogram we know that opposite sides are equal and parallel. These two should be equal and parallel, and this is 13, this is 13 meter. This is also. Okay. Now what to do? You have to find out first this area of this triangle. Okay. And after that you have to find height. Why? Because we have to find area of trapezium. What is area of trapezium? Half into sum of parallel sides into height. Okay. We can find height with help of area of this triangle. Okay. First of all, we have to find out area of triangle BCE. Okay. In triangle BCE, what is small a? This is 15 meter, small b 14 meter, and small c is 13 meter. Okay, what is semi-perimeter? A plus b plus c upon 2. 15 plus 14 plus 13 upon 2. Okay, that is 4 plus 3 7, 7 and 5 12, 2 142 upon 2. Easily then you will get 21 meter. Okay, then you have to find area that we know by Heron's formula. Under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. What is S? S is your 21. S minus A is 15. S minus B is 14. S minus C is 13. Okay, 21. 21 minus 15 is 6. 21 minus 14 is 7. This is your 8. Okay, now come on to find area. Find prime factors of 21. 7 3s are 21. Okay. 2 3s are 6. 7 is already prime. 8 2 into 2 into. Okay. Now come on. See how many times 2 is here. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I take square root, then 2 times 2 will come only. 1 time and 2 times. Now see how many times 3? 1 and 2. If I take square root, then only 1 time 3 will come. How many times 7? 2 times. If I take square root, then only 1 time 7 will come. 7 3s are 21. 21 2s are 42. 42 2s are 84 meters square. Okay, come on. Now we have to find height of this triangle. What we got? Area of triangle BCE, that is half. Base is BE, base is BE, height is your CN. Okay, half. Base BE is given to 15, CN is H, and what is area we got? 84. Then 84 into 2 upon 15 is equal to H. By 3 you can cut. 3 5s are 15. This is 28. that is 56 upon 5, we can say 11.2 meter, that is h. Ultimately what we have to find? Trapezium. Then what is area of trapezium? Half sum of parallel sides into height is h. Okay, half sum of parallel sides are 10 and 25. And what is h? Height we got it here, 11.2. 11.2. Okay. 2 1s are 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 5 2s are 10. 5 7s are 2 1s are 2, which is 28. Now 7 8s are 56. 5 carry it. They are 5. 7 to the 14 and 5 19. 196 meter square. This is area of trapezium. A very important one. The semi-perimeter of a triangle is 132 centimeter, and the product of the difference of semi-perimeter and three respective sides, which is in centimeter, is 132 centimeter. Okay. Find the area of the triangle. What is given? Just you see what is given. Semi-perimeter S is given to you 132 centimeter, and product of difference of their semi-perimeter, it means S minus A, S minus B, S minus C is given to you 13200 centimeter. Okay, and what is area of triangle? It is very easy. Okay, what we know that Heron's formula, we know that area is equal to under root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Directly you have to put the values and get the answer. What is S? S is given to you 132, and this full value we have given 13200. Okay, what can I write? See here. For your convenience I am writing 100. Okay. So what will come? 132 square root of 100 is 10. So answer will be 1320, and unit is centimeter. The question is the sides of triangle which are in centimeter. It is x, x plus 1 and 2x minus 1. And its area is given to you in centimeter square is x under root 10. Find the value of x and the length of the sides of a triangle. Okay, what is given? Sides are given to you. What will be its semi-perimeter? Let me see. Sum of three sides, x plus 1, 2x minus 1 upon 2. That is a plus b plus c upon 2. Okay, this is 2, 3, 4x, 1 to 1 cut, 4x upon 2, 2x centimeter. Okay, now what is area? Just you see area, how can we get it? Under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay, what is S? Is 2x, then 2x minus x, then 2x minus x minus 1. Okay, keep in mind. See next one, 2x minus 2x and minus plus 1. Okay, now see here, 2x minus x is x, 2x minus x is x, then here minus 1 into, and here this cut, this is 1. But what is given us? See, we have given its area is given to you x under root 10, x under root 10. Okay, and see here x under root 10, and what is coming inside? 2x square into x minus. Then after take square both sides. If I take square, then x square into 10, and here 2x square into x minus 1. This to this cut. Okay, 10 upon 2 is 5 is equal to x minus 1. Then x will be 5 plus 1 equal to 6. Then you have to find the length of sides. Okay, first side is x, and second one is x plus 1, and third one is 2x minus 1. It means x is 6 centimeter. Second one, 6 plus 1 is equal to 7 centimeter. Here 2 into 6 minus 1, 12 minus 1, that is 11